Hey guys, it's Debbie, and I'm working on a fluid painting here. I am repainting a canvas, and I'm just adding a little bit more of this white to carry out the paint because I'm going to just pour a little bit of paint on here and we're going to blow it out. So, well, you know what? Get a little bit more over here. How's the weather where you guys are all at? Hopefully it's warming up most places, unless you're across the pond. I'm not even sure which countries are going into winter right now, or fall. I live where it's summer all year. I love it. I'm a summer girl. Definitely. Let's see, let's do that. How about that? For many years, though, I lived up north, and we have a nice big winter every year up there. I can't say it was my favorite thing, but I stayed busy. It's a little bit of an abstract itself, right? Let's add a little bit of the red on there. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, this last one I'm going to add those raw liquid tech paints with hardly any silicone in it, but now I'm going to throw this here white has a lot. In fact, I don't think the other ones really had any in it, but this one does. So, oh shoot, it makes up for not having any. So, all right, I'm going to paint with the hairdryer. Here we go. Oh yeah. I like that so far. So I guess we'll go the other direction. Oh, I love that. Let's see what we want to do this way. Well, that one's pretty too, darn. I had another plan for that. It didn't turn out so good, but now there's a lot of paint in the middle there. So, I'm not sure what I want to do with that. I want to try to drag it over here maybe a little bit. I don't want to ruin it though if I keep this up. Doesn't take too much with this to go too far, does it? Okay, so what do I want to do? That's what this kind of painting, you gotta quit ahead of time. Just give it a quit. Give it a quit, guys. Because if you don't, sometimes it doesn't take anything to get this one too far. And well, I'm kind of liking it again. I like the way it's kind of running over, kind of like it's streaming on down. It's a little bit light over here and dark over there. So what I'm going to do is see if I can get it to move a little more with the hair dryer. I like the way, in my world, it looks to me like it's kind of streaming down. You got some lights, some darks going on over to here, over to this end. I'm going to try to move this one a little bit. It's slowing way down on its movement, so there's not going to be a lot of movement left on this. But I still like it. I haven't totally ruined it yet. Oh, my little red line left. I like the way that I've seen a little bit of redness. So I am just going to okay, I'm liking that now. I'm going to call that one done. Oh. Anyways, thank you guys for stopping by. Have a great evening. Goodbye.